Oh my God, look at that truck. It is so big.
Okay, so we got 2004 Silverado. I parked it Monday. She won't crank. Never had this issue before. So let me show you what we got going on real quick. I know what's wrong with it. I'll show you a quick way to diagnose it. Alright, so see, she's turning over, won't start up. I've already gone through the basic checks, you know, checking out different fuses, relays. Come to the conclusion it's definitely fuel related. Did all my little quick checks. I'll show you a little quick redneck way to figure out if it's fuel or fire. Be right back with you. Okay, so I got to do this quick. Out of starting fluid, so I'm just going to use a little gas. Give her a couple of little squirts, see if she fires up. There you go. So, just like that, I know it's fuel related. Like I said, I've already gone through it. I know it's the fuel pump. I will be ordering a pump, and I guess I'll do a video on replacing a fuel pump on these trucks. I'm going to do it the simple way. I'm going to either raise the bed or drag the bed backwards. We'll see. Thanks for watching.
Give it to me like